How do I prevent the cake from burning or becoming dry when baking in a toaster oven?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be discussing a common baking dilemma, preventing your cake from burning or becoming dry when using a toaster oven. Baking in a toaster oven can be tricky, but fear not. I've got some tips and tricks to ensure your cakes come out moist and perfectly baked. Let's dive right in.
Choosing the right temperature.
The temperature plays a crucial role in baking a cake to perfection. When using a toaster oven, it's essential to select the right temperature to avoid burning or drying out your cake. Always follow the recipe's temperature instructions, but if your toaster oven tends to run hot, consider reducing the temperature by 25 degrees Fahrenheit or about 15 degrees Celsius.
Proper time management.
Time management is key to achieving a moist and evenly baked cake. Set a timer as soon as you place the cake in the toaster oven. Toaster ovens may vary in temperature distribution, so it's vital to keep a close eye on your cake's progress. Start checking for doneness a few minutes before the recommended baking time stated in the recipe. Insert a toothpick or cake tester into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean or with a few crumbs, your cake is ready.
Use the right bakeware.
Choosing the appropriate bakeware can greatly influence the outcome of your cake. Opt for light-colored or non-stick pans to prevent the cake from browning too quickly. Dark pans tend to absorb more heat, leading to a higher risk of burning. Additionally, using insulated baking sheets or trays can help regulate the oven's heat distribution and prevent overbaking or drying out.
Shielding the cake.
If you notice that your cake is browning too quickly on the top while the inside is still uncooked, it's time to take action. To prevent further browning or burning, cover the top of the cake with a sheet of aluminum foil. This will create a shield and allow the cake to continue baking without excessive browning. Remember to check the cake periodically and remove the foil once the top is golden and the cake is fully baked.
Proper moisture control.
To ensure your cake remains moist throughout the baking process, there are a couple of tips you can follow. Avoid opening the toaster oven door frequently, as this can cause temperature fluctuations and affect the cake's texture. Additionally, you can place a small dish of water in the toaster oven while baking to add moisture to the environment and prevent the cake from drying out. Congratulations, you've reached the end of this video. By implementing these tips, you'll be well equipped to prevent your cakes from burning or becoming dry when baking in a toaster oven. Remember to choose the right temperature, manage your time effectively, use suitable bakeware, shield the cake if necessary, and control the moisture levels. With these precautions in place, you'll be baking moist and delicious cakes in your toaster oven in no time. Happy baking!